welcome to the Unicorn Brewery, guys. The Unicorn Brewery. Now we're going to walk around and check out this place. It's the Unicorn Brewery. We be going down there, That's cool.
Too many steps for me.
No, come on, just go slow. Just go slow. Yeah. Let's investigate, guys. Mum's going back to the car because there's too many steps. Oh, wow. Oh, look, straight away. Hello, my name's Jackie. I'm in no disrespect to anyone in the cellars of the Union Brewery. I come in peace and I mean no disrespect whatsoever. So come on, guys, let's inspect the Unicorn Cemetery. I keep saying cemetery, the Unicorn Brewery. Then we're going to go into the cellars. Hello. I'll get the S box out. Oh, God, I have to watch your head. Get the S box out.
S box. Scanning. FM.
Hello? Is there anyone still working in the brewery? I don't know if I'll get anything down here, guys. You never know. Oh, it's cold down here though. No reception down here, guys. Hello? Wow. That leads right up to the front. Feel the breeze. Oh, cobwebs. Hello, is there anyone still here? Actually, I might need the S box because I can't see. Wow, this place is creepy as anything. It's creepy in here. Actually, I'm glad Mum went back because it's a bit creepy. Hello? Gotta watch your head in a few of these guys. Gotta duck. Wow. Is there anyone still working in the brewery? This is creepy as anything. Glad you can't go any further. Hello? You can get lost in here. Easy. Who's here? I just saw a shadow on that wall. Hopefully I caught it. And I've got my glasses on and I saw it. Glasses, oh, look there again. Might be the light. Let's try the spirit box. Hello? There's no reception by the looks of it down here. Is there anyone still here in the brewery? You can get lost in here, big time. No, turn that off. Hello, is there anyone still here? My name is Jackie. Look. Hello? It was around here. Here it is. Hello? I don't know, guys, but this place is a bit creepy in here. Echoes. You could easily get lost. Easy get lost in here. Hello? I'm a bit creeped. And I've got my glasses off and I keep seeing shadows because I can't see because it's a bit dark and spots. Hear it? I'll be quiet. Hello? Can anyone see me? Speak into my phone and let me know that you're here. Or come up and touch this grey device. It's not bad, guys. $25. You go to the information place. I've lost it already. And you get a key and you get access to heaps of places. You can go to the Burra mines, the powder magazine, the police lockup and stables, Red Roof Jail, which I've just been to, this Hampton Village, Smelts Padlock, Mallowan Loaf, Unicorn Brewery Cellars, that's where I am right now, the Miners Dugouts, and the Market Square Museum. How cool is that? You pay $50 and you get, you pay $75. But when you take this back, you get the $50 back. How cool? So it costs you $25 to have a look around this, around Burra, the historical state of South Australia. How awesome is that? So, you hear that? Hello? Hello? Who's here? Are you still working? Hello? Hello? Scratching. Sounds like scratching. There's nothing coming up. Keep walking around because I'm starting to get a bit freaked out, guys. Hello? Look's going off. Hello? 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 Who are you? Is it picking up the sign? No. Oh, could be. It's only... Is it picking up that? No. It's picking up something, Randy. Hello? Hello? Oh, this is creepy. We'll go down. Did we go down here? I think I might have. Another roof. What you can see of it in the dark. Yeah, I did. Hello? Oh, my back. You could easily get lost in here, guys. Oh, it's cold in here. All of a sudden, it's really cold. Hello? Is that the way out, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, where's the way out? Wish they'd open more of it so you can see. Hello? Bloody freezing down here, and it gets colder the further you go in. Hello? Anyone still in here? Look how low it is though. It's a shame you can't get any further. But this place is just so creepy. It's just... Look. Hello, who's here? Because I thought it might have been the exit sign, guys, there. But look. Hello? I think it's gone. My name's Jackie. Oh, this is creepy. Listen. The echo. Oh, there's cold breeze blowing in. I'm absolutely frozen in here. Hello, who's here? In some bits it's warm, and other bits it's cold. I know it's a cellar. I know that it's with it being a cellar and stuff, but why would it be warm in a cellar and then cold, freezing cold? I don't understand. But this place is starting to crack. I'm going. Thank you for letting me have a look around. I am going to go, because this is starting to get a bit freaky in here. Oh, I hope you liked that, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Tickle that notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out. So until then, from me and the Unicorn Brewery, cellars, Thank you for watching and be safe. Bye.